Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm you have managed server or administrator rights, because only those let you adjust bot-specific settings. Once confirmed, open Discord and find the Unbelievaboat command prefix used in this server. You will need it to issue configuration commands. Decide the exact currency symbol you want, symbol, spacing, placement, and whether it appears before or after amounts. Make sure the symbol is a single glyph, and note that this first step unlocks the command level changes you'll make next. Now you perform the core command. Using the server's prefix, send the exact Unbelievaboat configuration command to set the currency symbol. For example, prefix plus set currency symbol followed by the glyph. Once done, immediately test with a small transaction or balance check, try 1 or 10 to see the change in context. If the bot responds with a confirmation message, the change is active. Make sure to use the exact glyph and no extra spaces, otherwise the bot may reject it. Finish by verifying the symbol appears everywhere. Economy commands, embeds, and transaction receipts. Once done, inform your moderators and document the chosen glyph and any display quirks you notice across devices. If the change didn't take, first rerun the exact command. Make sure the bot still has required permissions. As a troubleshooting tip, if the symbol is ignored or shows as a box, try a different glyph or rerun the command. Sometimes font support on client devices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.